Hello dear students, in this video I will teach you honeycomb NCERT class 7th 3 question. Okay, question and answer, comprehension check, page number 10. Question number 1, you will see here, why did the king want to know answer to 3 question? Then you give the answer. The king wanted to know answer to 3 question because of the thought came to his mind that he would never fail if he knew answer to these 3 question. Okay, now we will come question number 2. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. Option: to fetch wise men, to find answer to the question, to look for the wise hermit, and number 4, to announce a reward for those who could answer the question. Okay, here mark your choice. Which option is the right of this question? Which option is the right answer of this question? Number 4, to announce a reward for those who could answer the question. Okay, next question, comprehension check. Complete the following sentence by the adding the appropriate parts of the sentence given in the box. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको सेंटेंस आपको हाफ दिया गया है, उस सेंटेंस को आपको क्या करना, कंप्लीट करना है इस ऑप्शन के थ्रू. ओके, नंबर 1, मेनी वाइज मेन आंसर द किंग्स क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस? बट देयर आंसर वर सो वेरीड that the king was not satisfied. Okay, next, number 2, someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act at the right time. Clear? Number 3, someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable. What is the part of the sentence? And follow it strictly. Okay, number 4, the king requested the hermit to answer 3 question. Okay, number 5, the king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound. What is the part of the sentence? But the bleeding would not stop. Okay, now will come the next question. Answer the following question. Okay, why was the king advised to go to the magician? The answer of this question you will write as like this: in order to know the right time to do something, one should know the future. Unfortunately, the king cannot do that, but magician can look into the future, and hence the king is suggested to go to the magician. Okay, now will come the next question. Question number 2, in answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Answer of this question you will write as like this: the king wanted to know who are the most necessary people to him through his second question. The advice which others gave to him in respect of his question was different from everyone. Some said counselors are the most necessary people to the king, while others said prized soldiers and doctors are important to him. Now will come the next question. Question number 3, what suggestions were made in answer to the third question of the king? The answer of this question you will say here as like this: 3 suggestions were made And do you know what were these? These were signs, fighting, and religious worship. Okay. Now we'll come next question. Question number 4. Did the wise man win the reward? If not, why not? Then you give the answer like this of this question. No, the wise man did not win the rewards, as the king got wide ranging answers which are all different from each other, and none of the answer satisfied his thirst. Okay. Thus, no wise man returned home with any kind of reward. The king's search is still on. Okay. Now will come the next question. Question number 5. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? Then you give the answer of this question. Write like this. Here the answer of this question. The king and the hermit removed the wounded man's clothes, and king washed the large wound in man's stomach and covered it twice until at last the bleeding stopped. Okay. Now will come the next question. Question number 6. Here in this question, two parts, question. First question is, who was the bearded man? Okay. Now will come of this answer. The bearded man was the king's enemy. Okay. This is the question 6 first, and now will come number 2 question. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Then you give the answer of this question number 2. Then you say that as like this. This is the bearded man. Okay. Bearded, like this. Man came to kill the king. However, the king saved his life, dressed his wounds, and taken care of him. Looking at all this from the king, bearded, this is the bearded, not bearded. Okay. Bearded man felt guilty of his deed and asked for forgiveness. Okay. This is the answer of this question. Now will come question number 7. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? Then you give the answer of this question as like this. Here is the answer. Then you say that the king said that he would send his servants and doctors to look after him, and promised him you, okay, give back his property. Now will come the next question. Question number 8. In this question, two part of this question. Okay. First part, what were the hermit's answer to 3 question? Okay. What were the hermit's answer to 3 question? मतलब तीनों क्वेश्चन के आंसर hermit ने क्या दिया? Then you first of this answer. Okay. Now listen carefully. The most important time was when you were digging the bed for me. This is the first answer of the first question of 3 question. Okay. And number 2 question, I was the number 2 answer of this question. I was the most important man for you, and later the bearded man was the most important man for you. Okay. This is the answer number 2. And answer number 3, the most important thing for the king to do is to do good. Okay. This is the first part of this question number 8 and 3 answers of this question. Okay. Now will come next point of this question. Write each answer separately. Okay. Separately, alag alag. Which answer do you like most and why? And which answer do you like most and why? आपको सबसे बेस्ट आंसर कौन लगा और क्यों लगा? Then you say this like this. As per my perspective, I really appreciate the answer, okay, answer given by Hermit in respect of the first question, which is that the important time to do something is now, because it is only time when you have the power to act. Okay, this is the answer of 8. Clear? Now will come the next question, working with language. Match item in list A with their meanings in list B. Here is the two option, first A and second B. Wounded, severely injured. Awoke, got up from sleep. Forgive, pardon. Faithful, loyal. Pity, free, sorry for. Beds, small patches of ground for plants. Okay, return, give back. This is the answer of this. Match the following. Now will come the next question. In this same question, here is the option wounded, awoke, forgive, faithful, pity, beds, return. Okay, and in this question some question were asked that use any 3 of the above words. कोई 3 वर्ड्स आपको लेना है, उसका इस्तेमाल उपयोग करना है इन सेंटेंस ऑफ योर ओन वन. ओके, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आपको इस सारे ऑप्शन में से कोई 3 आपको वर्ड लेना है, 3 ऑप्शन लेना है, तीनों ऑप्शन को सेंटेंस में बनाना है. ओके, खुद के सेंटेंस में बनाना है. तो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ योर, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. ओके, यू विल ट्राई. Now will come number 2 question. Each of the following sentence has 2 blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of the word given in brackets. Okay. आपने टेंस के बारे में पढ़ा होगा. एक होता है सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, एक होता है सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट में क्या होता है आपका, यू नो डैट सिंपल में जो होता है फर्स्ट फॉर्म होता है आपका, और सिंपल पास्ट में जो होता है वो सेकेंड फॉर्म होता है. तो हियर इज द यूज ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस. ओके, ही हैज़ डैश to help me, do you think he will remember his. Okay, and here the option आपका. तो first he has promised, because has is the present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect में has और have होता है, verb की third form होती है. Then you use here that promised. Okay, now the second option, his promised, remember his promise. Understand? Second number, the dash said that only fresh evidence would make him change his dash. Okay, so here is the option. This option use from here and here also. Understand what you feel here like? The judge said. Okay, first में judge and change his judgment. Okay, तो इस तरीके से आपको खुद ना fill करना आपको. Now the second number, I didn't notice any serious dash of opinion among the debaters, although they dash from one another over small points. Okay, in this first one difference and second differed. Okay, number third, it is fairly simple question to dash, but will you accept my dash as final. Here is the option. What will you feel here? Question to answer first में and accept my answer in second also. Understand? And number 4 question, it is not dash that dash should always be the mother of the invention. Here the option of necessary. Okay, what do you feel here? The first option you feel it is not necessary that necessity should always. Okay, now the next point, number 5. Listen carefully. Hermits were dash men. How they acquire their dash to one can tell. Here the option wise. Okay, hermits are wise men because wise is the adjective. Dash no one can tell wisdom. Okay, committee has dash to make Jagdish captain of the team. The dash is likely to please everyone. Here the option decide. So committee has decided, and the second option decision is like to please everyone. Okay. Number 7, asking for dash is as is as noble as willingness to dash. Okay, what do you feel here? Asking for forgiveness and forgive here. Okay, तो इस तरीके से आपको करना, फिल करना आपको. So this is the answer to the question of the lesson number 1. If you like this video, then you like the video, comment, share and subscribe also, and after that you press the bell icon. Thank you.